We take them behind the closed doors of egg factories. Male chicks are separated by gender immediately after birth. Female chicks are raised for egg production, while male chicks are unfortunately seen as a burden and are often sent straight to death. The growing chickens are then sent to the slaughterhouse. Millions of chicken meats are produced in these modern factories. We will take you inside a modern egg factory and show you the stages that eggs go through until they reach our tables. These machines enable chicks to hatch by heating thousands of eggs at the same time. In order to increase efficiency in egg production, the health and nutrition of chickens are monitored with great care in modern farms. Chickens get the nutrients they need thanks to automatic feeding systems. In addition, they always have access to fresh and clean water through drinking water systems. Today, we will take you to a modern duck production facility. When it comes to the cutting stage, the process is carried out in a completely hygienic and modern way. Finally, the meats are processed and packaged. In modern facilities, meat processing and packaging processes are carried out untouched, thus ensuring maximum hygiene. We will explore the modern turkey farm production process. Are you ready? You will be amazed at the incredible technologies and innovative methods used in this process. When the turkeys reach a certain maturity, they are sent to modern slaughterhouses. Meat is produced here thanks to machines equipped with the latest technology and meticulous quality control processes. Hygiene standards are given utmost attention in slaughterhouses, and every stage is strictly inspected. The whale is pulled aboard and transported to modern slaughtering and processing facilities. Here, whale meat is processed in accordance with the highest hygiene standards. Automatic slaughtering machines and rigorous quality control processes ensure that the meat is processed in the freshest and healthiest way. During the processing process, each part of the whale is carefully evaluated. Meat, fat, and other byproducts are carefully separated and packaged. These products are used for a variety of purposes and nothing is wasted. We will discover the incredible production process of a modern biscuit factory. You will be amazed by the technology and innovative methods used in this process. Flour, sugar, oil, and other ingredients are transferred to mixing units with automatic dosing systems. Here, the dough is formed into biscuit form using various molds and machines. Biscuits are created in various shapes such as heart, round, star. This process is done with fully automatic machines and operates at high speed. Shaped biscuits are baked in huge ovens. Finally, the biscuits are carefully packaged by automatic machines. Each package goes through a final check before leaving the factory. We will discover the incredible production process of a modern burger meat factory. After the meat arrives at the factory, it goes through a quality control process. In the chopping section, large pieces of meat are carefully cut into smaller pieces. Once the mincing process is completed, the meat moves to the mixing section. After the mixing process is completed, the meatball forming machines are used. In the cooking section, meatballs are cooked on huge grills or ovens. You will be amazed by the technology and innovative methods used in this process. First, we start with raw material preparation. Sugar, gelatin, glucose syrup, and flavorings are added to large mixing tanks. After the mixture is prepared, it is transferred to special molding machines. Here, the mixture is poured into various jelly molds. Gummy bears are created in different shapes such as teddy bears, hearts, and stars. After the cooling process is completed, the jelly beans are removed from the molds and sent to the polishing machines. The jelly beans, whose polishing process is completed, come to the quality control department. Here, each jelly bean is meticulously checked, and those that meet the quality standards go through the packaging process. We will discover the incredible production process of a modern Bounty chocolate factory. We start with raw material preparation. Coconut, sugar, and milk are added to large mixing tanks. After the mixture is prepared, it is transferred to special molding machines. Once the cooling process is completed, the coconut bars pass to the chocolate coating section. Once the chocolate coating process is completed, the bars enter the cooling tunnels once again. Finally, Bounty bars are carefully packaged by automatic machines. We will discover the incredible production process of a modern grain factory. First, we start with raw material preparation. Wheat, corn, rice, and other grains come to the factory and are stored in large silos. Grains are transferred to the cleaning section with automatic conveying systems. Here, it is cleaned of stones, dust, and other foreign substances. After the cleaning process, the grains are transported to the mixing and preparation section. Once the crushing process is completed, the grains move to the cooking section. Finally, the grains are carefully packaged by automatic machines. Each package goes through a final check before leaving the factory. First, we start with raw material preparation. Sugar, corn syrup, water, and gelatin are added to large mixing tanks. In these tanks, the ingredients are carefully mixed to obtain a marshmallow mixture. After the mixture is prepared, the heating section is started. The mixture, whose cooling process is completed, is transferred to the mixing machines with air. In the molding section, the mixture is poured into marshmallow molds of various shapes. Marshmallows are created in different shapes such as round, square, or heart. Marshmallows, whose coating process is completed, come to the quality control department. Here, each marshmallow is meticulously examined, and those that meet the quality standards are processed into packaging. We will discover the incredible production process of a modern oat mill. You will be amazed by the technology and innovative methods used in this process. These machines flatten the oats and prepare them for making oatmeal. After the crushing process is completed, the oats are transported to the drying tunnels and dried there for a certain period of time. The oats, whose drying process is completed, come to the quality control department. Here, each grain of oats is meticulously examined, and those that meet the quality standards are processed into packaging. This is where stick crackers were born. This huge factory produces millions of delicious stick crackers every day. Here, the highest quality ingredients are mixed in large mixers. Flour, water, oil, and special spices come together to create the perfect stick cracker dough. Special machines cut the dough into thin strips and give it the perfect stick cracker shape. This process is carried out with millimetric precision. Now, the dough goes into the oven. Here is the stick cracker journey from the factory to the market shelves. Our first stop is the process of collecting peas from the field. Here, the highest quality and ripe peas are carefully selected and quickly brought to the factory. Fresh peas are checked meticulously before starting the freezing process. Special machines gently wash the peas and remove foreign substances. Frozen peas are taken to the packaging belt. Automated packaging machines carefully fill and seal each packet of peas. Packaged peas are stored in cold storage and ready to be sent to markets.